advanced commercial vehicle systems, and load handling technologies. Comprehensive overview and technical rearticulation. This document provides a detailed, rearticulated, and substantially expanded description of a wide range of commercial vehicle systems, load handling solutions, trailer technologies, safety systems, and specialized transport equipment. Each section has been rewritten in clear, professional U.S. English, with added contextual explanation to improve clarity, technical understanding, and practical relevance. The intent is to present an integrated reference-style narrative that explains not only what each system is, but how it functions operationally, why it exists within modern logistics and transport environments, and how it contributes to efficiency, safety, and regulatory compliance. Overhead load securing and retraction systems. The first system under consideration is an advanced overhead load securing solution designed to keep restraint equipment such as straps, cargo nets, and tarpaulins suspended above the cargo area and immediately available for use. Rather than storing loose straps or covers on the trailer floor or inside compartments, this system organizes all securing equipment beneath the vehicle roof structure, where it remains protected, orderly, and easily accessible. At the core of the system is an elastic expander rope mechanism that provides controlled retraction and extension. This elastic element works in combination with guided carriages that travel along fixed or sliding rails, as well as swivels and clamps that allow the securing devices to orient naturally as they are deployed. Together, these components ensure that straps or nets can be pulled down smoothly to ground level and then automatically retract upward when released. Installation options are flexible to suit different vehicle body designs. The system may be mounted directly to roof beams using heavy-duty attachment straps or mechanical clamps, or it can be installed on longitudinal sliding rails that run the full length of the cargo roof. These rails incorporate ball-bearing rollers, allowing the carriages to glide with minimal resistance. As a result, the securing equipment can be positioned precisely above different load locations, enabling consistent, repeatable restraint layouts regardless of cargo configuration. Rail sections are supplied in modular lengths of approximately 7 feet. By combining multiple sections, the system can be adapted for bodies around 23 feet or 46 feet long, which are common dimensions in commercial transport. Configurations range from a single overhead unit to multi-unit systems consisting of 6 or even 12 parallel assemblies, depending on the level of restraint control required. 2 primary equipment formats are supported. One version is optimized for restraining straps that are guided by fixed plates to maintain alignment during deployment. The other version is designed for cargo nets or tarpaulins that attach via snap hooks. Standard components include lightweight elastic ropes, roller carriages, aluminum or steel rails, mounting brackets, end stoppers, snap hooks, and D-rings. In day-to-day operation, all securing equipment remains retracted beneath the roof when not in use, eliminating clutter and reducing wear. When load restraint is required, the operator simply pulls the straps or nets down to ground level and tensions them around the cargo. This approach eliminates the need to climb onto the load or throw straps over tall freight, significantly reducing the risk of falls, strains, and other injuries. Overall, the system improves workplace safety, reduces manual handling, and ensures consistent load securing practices across different vehicles and cargo types. Palfinger TMF BM214 Truck-Mounted Forklift System. The Palfinger TMF BM214 represents a specialized truck-mounted forklift solution engineered to improve delivery efficiency while maintaining vehicle balance and accessibility. Unlike traditional rear-mounted piggyback forklifts, this system travels within a protective enclosure installed between the truck's axles, directly beneath the loading platform. During transport, the forklift remains fully enclosed inside this underbody box. This design keeps the rear of the vehicle unobstructed, allowing standard rear loading and unloading operations and preserving the use of tail lifts or dock access. Just as importantly, positioning the forklift between the axles supports balanced weight distribution. which contributes to improved handling, reduced axle overload risk, and better compliance with road weight regulations. Upon arrival at the delivery site, the forklift is deployed from its protective housing and driven directly to the unloading area. The entire process is managed by a single operator using a radio remote control. This allows the forklift to be moved, positioned, and operated without the driver entering a cab, streamlining workflows and reducing transition time between driving and material handling. The system is designed to place palletized goods exactly where they are required at the delivery location, such as inside warehouses, construction sites, or retail premises, rather than leaving loads at the roadside. This capability significantly enhances service quality and reduces the need for additional handling equipment at the customer's site. From a technical standpoint, the forklift offers a maximum lifting capacity of approximately 4,630 pounds at a 23.6-inch load center, with a maximum lift height of around 112 inches. Power is provided by a 3-cylinder diesel engine paired with a permanent 4-wheel drive drivetrain, enabling reliable operation on uneven or unpaved surfaces. The operating weight begins at roughly 3,850 pounds without forks, and the overall dimensions are kept below 6.5 feet in both height and width. These compact proportions allow the forklift to function effectively in confined spaces, including loading docks with limited clearance or urban delivery environments. Cramero Overquick Automatic Side-Rolling Tarpaulin System. The Cramero Overquick system is a fully automatic side-rolling tarpaulin solution developed for open truck and trailer bodies used in bulk material transport. It replaces traditional manual tarps and rope-based securing methods with a fast, electronically controlled covering mechanism. Operation is powered by a 24-volt electrical system that drives the tarpaulin laterally across the vehicle body. Opening and closing cycles are completed in less than 30 seconds, dramatically reducing loading and unloading times while minimizing operator effort. The system is compatible with vehicle bodies up to approximately 44.8 feet in length, making it suitable for a wide range of commercial applications. The tarpaulin itself is manufactured from reinforced PVC fabric, with an optional self-extinguishing, fire-retardant PVC variant available for applications involving combustible materials. A patented internal air chamber plays a central role in guiding and tensioning the tarpaulin as it moves. This design eliminates the need for side ropes or additional structural elements, and allows the cover to operate using the vehicle's existing bows. Because no roll-up hardware is mounted at the rear, the vehicle's rear doors remain fully accessible at all times. When closed, the tarpaulin forms an airtight and watertight seal, providing effective containment and weather protection. It also accommodates load heights exceeding the sideboards by more than 12 inches. The Overquick system is commonly used on vehicles transporting grain, silage, compost, waste, and similar bulk materials where controlled containment and rapid operation are essential. XL Side Dump Trailer. The XL Side Dump Trailer is engineered for the transport and controlled unloading of loose construction materials such as sand, gravel, crushed stone, and aggregates. Unlike conventional rear dump trailers, this design discharges material by tilting the tub to either the left or right side. Side dumping offers significant advantages in material placement accuracy and stability. By avoiding steep rear lift angles, the trailer reduces the risk of tipping and allows operators to distribute material evenly along a trench, roadway, or foundation line. The trailer features a 60,000-pound capacity and a 37-foot rolled steel tub constructed from quarter-inch abrasion-resistant steel. Internal volume measures approximately 23 cubic yards at water level and up to 33 cubic yards when filled to the top. A single hydraulic cylinder raises the tub to a 42-degree angle, ensuring consistent material flow while minimizing structural stress. Available in 2-axle and 3-axle configurations, the trailer measures between 39 feet 8 inches and 41 feet 9 inches in overall length, with a width of 102 inches. Air ride suspension is paired with 25,000-pound nominal axles spaced 49 inches apart. Braking is provided by a dual S-cam system with spring brakes on 2 axles, while sealed LED lighting and integrated safety monitoring systems enhance operational reliability. DAL Timber Transport Concept. The DAL Logo 12 is a heavy-duty timber transport concept that integrates a truck chassis, an onboard forestry crane, a liftable and rotating operator cab, and a compatible timber semi-trailer into a single, unified working system. It is designed specifically for roundwood logistics, enabling collection, sorting, loading, and transport without reliance on separate site machinery. The semi-trailer utilizes a high-strength, fine-grained steel structure with a reinforced front wall that meets recognized load-securing standards. Empty weight begins at approximately 11,000 pounds, depending on configuration. The system accommodates timber lengths ranging from about 7 feet up to 46 feet, with loading lengths of approximately 41 or 44 feet. A defining feature is the elevated operator cab mounted above the chassis. During crane operation, the cab can be raised and rotated, providing the operator with an elevated vantage point over log stacks and work areas while remaining protected inside the cab. This design improves visibility, precision, and overall operational safety. Paveli SDV Jazz Heavy Recovery and Transport Semi-Trailer. The Paveli SDV Jazz is a heavy-duty semi-trailer designed for the recovery, loading, and transport of disabled or non-drivable vehicles, including trucks, buses, vans, and agricultural machinery. It functions as a dedicated vehicle transport and road rescue platform rather than a conventional flatbed. Its steel frame is treated with hot-dip galvanizing for corrosion resistance and can be configured with multiple axles using commercial heavy vehicle running gear. Air suspension manages ride height with optional lift axles to adapt to varying load conditions. Loading equipment includes manual or hydraulic rear ramps and a hydraulically movable central platform that repositions vehicles during recovery. Electric or hydraulic winches pull vehicles onto the deck with options for front or rear placement and remote operation. The deck surface may be specified with perforated steel and integrated anchor points, while hydraulic power is supplied either independently or via the towing vehicle's PTO. Max 100 semi-trailer with integrated tarpaulin structure. The Max 100 semi-trailer represents a specialized low-loader transport solution designed for moving machinery, industrial equipment, and oversized technical assets while maintaining protection from environmental exposure. Built on the Max 100 platform, this trailer integrates a structural tarpaulin enclosure directly into the chassis design, allowing sensitive or high-value loads to remain shielded from rain, road spray, dust, and debris encountered on construction sites or industrial corridors. The platform can be configured with 2 to 6 axles, all supported by pneumatic air suspension systems. This suspension arrangement enables precise ride height control, even load distribution across axles, and improves stability during both highway transport and low-speed maneuvering. The trailer operates on 17-inch wheels and may be specified with either friction-steered axles or hydromechanically steered axles, depending on the level of maneuverability required. Steering axle configurations are particularly valuable when navigating tight job sites, urban delivery zones, or industrial facilities with constrained turning radii. Overall trailer width is approximately 100 inches, aligning with standard road transport limits in many jurisdictions. The tarpaulin-equipped version provides a usable loading floor length of roughly 30 feet, while the chassis itself may be ordered in either single extendable or double extendable form. With these extensions deployed, the trailer can accommodate loads requiring up to approximately 43 additional feet of deck length, greatly expanding its operational flexibility. Fifth wheel coupling height varies between approximately 37 inches and 57 inches, depending on axle count, suspension configuration, and customer requirements. Loading height can be reduced to around 30 inches under maximum load conditions when equipped with R17.5 tires, facilitating easier drive-on loading of machinery and reducing the need for steep ramps. The tarpaulin structure encloses the load space while remaining fully functional from a handling perspective. Curtain-style side panels can be opened rapidly to provide unobstructed access to the deck, and the rear remains accessible for ramp loading. Rear loading is typically supported by double ramps measuring approximately 49 inches in width, providing sufficient support for tracked or wheeled machinery. Additional configuration options include width-adjustable rear corner stakes, integrated stake pockets, lift axles, height-adjustable tarpaulin frames, and optional rear gantry or wing doors on selected 4-axle variants. These options allow the Max 100 system to be tailored for diverse transport profiles ranging from construction machinery to industrial assemblies. Fashion Loc Garmenton Hanger Transport Solutions. The Fashion Loc system is a purpose-built Garmenton hanger (GOH) transport solution engineered for the secure movement of clothing such as suits, dresses, coats, and other finished apparel. Unlike conventional boxed or folded garment transport methods, this system preserves garments in a hanging position throughout loading, transit, and unloading, significantly reducing creasing, deformation, and handling damage. The system is installed inside enclosed trailers and consists of vertically mounted wall panels combined with horizontal hanging rails. These panels are manufactured from anodized aluminum or steel, with thicknesses typically ranging between approximately 0.08 and 0.12 inches. The choice of materials balances structural rigidity with weight efficiency and corrosion resistance. The horizontal garment rails are produced from metal and finished with a chrome coating. This surface treatment minimizes particle adhesion, reducing the risk of dust or residue transferring onto garments during transport. Each rail is capable of supporting loads of up to approximately 675 pounds and is adjustable to match the internal width of the trailer body. Rail positioning is fully modular, allowing operators to set multiple height levels within the trailer. This adaptability makes it possible to optimize vertical space utilization while accommodating different garment lengths, from short jackets to full-length dresses or coats. A dedicated retention system prevents hangers from dislodging or swinging excessively during transit, further protecting the cargo. By maintaining garments on hangers throughout the logistics process, the Fashion Loc system supports higher quality delivery standards, reduces post-transport finishing requirements, and improves efficiency for fashion distributors and retailers. VZMONT-CRAMARO load covering tarpaulin system. The VZMONT-CRAMARO system is a front-to-rear rolling tarpaulin solution designed for open truck bodies, including tipping beds and bulk transport vehicles. Its primary function is to cover or uncover transported material efficiently while maintaining operator safety and compliance with machinery safety standards. The system operates by rolling a flexible tarpaulin from the front of the vehicle toward the rear. Guidance is provided by steel cables mounted along both sides of the body, which ensure consistent alignment throughout the movement cycle. An arched bow structure supports the tarpaulin as it passes over the load, allowing it to traverse uneven material surfaces without snagging or tearing. Multiple actuation options are available. Manual configurations employ a mechanical gearbox operated via a ground-level crank handle, eliminating the need for climbing onto the vehicle. Electric versions use a 24-volt direct current power supply and a control unit connected to an electric motor, protected by 80-amp circuit fuses. Hydraulic variants incorporate a hydraulic motor with a pressure-reducing valve and standard hydraulic fittings, making them suitable for integration with existing vehicle hydraulic systems. The tarpaulin material itself can be selected to suit demanding applications, including high-temperature environments such as asphalt transport. Side anchoring is achieved through integrated metal cables encased in PVC, with hook-based anchoring at the rear of the body. The entire system is intended for ground-level operation and is designed to meet relevant machinery safety requirements. Harsh HH6 Hook Loader System. The Harsh HH6 is a compact hook-loading system mounted on a 7-ton truck chassis, designed to lift, transport, set down, and reload interchangeable containers or bodies. This system enables a single truck to perform multiple operational roles without the need for permanently fixed bodies, enhancing fleet versatility and utilization. At the heart of the system is a hydraulically actuated lifting arm equipped with a hook mechanism. This arm pulls containers onto the truck frame or places them on the ground for loading and unloading. Container locking is achieved through a hydraulic cam system that secures the container during travel and tipping operations. A low-profile Z-frame structure keeps the center of gravity as low as possible, improving vehicle stability during lifting and tipping. The system offers a lifting capacity of approximately 7 US tons and is compatible with containers measuring roughly 12 to 14 feet in length. Maximum tipping angle reaches approximately 52 degrees, supporting efficient discharge of loose materials. Hydraulic power may be supplied either by a truck-driven pump or an independent power unit, depending on the vehicle configuration. Standard operation is conducted from within the cab, with optional remote control functionality available to enhance visibility and precision during loading and unloading. Optional add-ons include container sheeting systems and onboard weight measurement technology. Freightliner Cascadia Driver Assistance Systems. The Freightliner Cascadia incorporates advanced driver assistance technologies aimed at enhancing safety during highway operation. One such system focuses on lane centering and lane departure mitigation, helping the vehicle maintain proper positioning within its lane and reducing the likelihood of unintended lane departures. The system continuously monitors lane markings and surrounding traffic using a combination of camera and radar sensors. When minor deviations are detected, small corrective steering inputs are applied through the vehicle's power steering system. These interventions are designed to support, rather than replace, the driver's control and require the driver to keep their hands on the steering wheel at all times. Key features include lane centering assistance, lane departure protection when turn signals are not activated, and lane change monitoring that can countersteer if a lane change is attempted into an occupied adjacent lane. An additional driver monitoring function responds to signs of driver unresponsiveness by maintaining lane position, gradually slowing the vehicle to a stop and activating hazard lights. Cramero Tarp All-Ground Operated Tarpaulin System. The Cramero Tarpaul system is a manually operated, ground-level tarpaulin covering solution developed for flatbed vehicles and semi-trailers that require flexible cargo protection without sacrificing loading accessibility. Unlike fixed box bodies or permanently enclosed systems, Tarp All transforms an open flatbed into a protected cargo space while preserving the versatility expected from open-deck transport equipment. The system consists of a folding frame structure made up of interconnected spans. These spans slide along guide rails mounted to the sides of the trailer body. Movement is supported by wheels equipped with self-lubricating, maintenance-free bearings, allowing the entire structure to be pushed smoothly along the deck by an operator standing safely on the ground. Opening and closing cycles typically take less than 2 minutes, making the system suitable for frequent loading and unloading operations. One of the defining characteristics of the tarpaul system is its modular access concept. Operators can open individual sections of the deck or fold the entire frame toward one end of the trailer, depending on the cargo and handling requirements. On a standard 44-foot semi-trailer, the fully folded structure occupies approximately 8 feet of deck length, leaving the remaining space completely open for loading oversized or irregular freight. The tarpaulin material is available in standard PVC or fire-retardant, self-extinguishing PVC variants and can be supplied in multiple colors. Front and rear closure options include rigid panels, roll-up doors, sliding doors, semi-automatic systems, and double-leaf doors. Multiple side fastening configurations are also available to match different cargo profiles and regulatory requirements. The system supports palletized cargo, unit loads, and long or bulky items such as pipes, coils, and timber. Optional rear extensions allow additional storage space for the folded frame, enabling the transport of 40-foot containers without removing the system. SOCRI lifting side tipper body. The SOCARI lifting side tipper is a multifunctional truck-mounted body designed to handle both loose bulk materials and unitized cargo within a single vehicle platform. It combines the traditional rear tipping function of a dump body with a hydraulically operated full-length side opening mechanism. In rear tipping mode, the body lifts at the front using a hydraulic cylinder, allowing loose materials to discharge through the rear in a controlled manner. In side opening mode, one full side of the body opens upward hydraulically, exposing the entire floor area. When closed, the side panel locks mechanically to maintain structural rigidity and prevent deformation during driving. This side opening capability enables forklifts to load or unload pallets, big bags, or other unitized cargo directly from the side, eliminating the need for overhead cranes or rear-only access. Hydraulic controls are integrated into the vehicle's existing hydraulic system, allowing the operator to manage opening, closing, and tipping functions efficiently. The body structure typically consists of an aluminum chassis paired with a steel wear floor to balance weight savings with durability. Common configurations offer usable body lengths between approximately 21 and 26 feet, internal widths of about 7 to 8 feet, sidewall heights ranging from 31 to 47 inches, and load volumes between 20 and 26 cubic yards. This type of body is particularly valuable for operators who need a single vehicle to perform multiple transport roles without changing equipment, improving fleet utilization, and reducing capital investment. PALFINGER skip loader SD14. The PALFINGER SD14 skip loader is a truck-mounted container handling system designed for lifting, transporting, and tipping open containers filled with construction debris, rubble, soil, or recyclable materials. The system operates through a pair of telescopic lifting arms mounted at the rear of the truck chassis. These arms extend outward to engage a container, pull it onto the truck frame, and secure it for transport. Unloading is performed by reversing the sequence, allowing the container to be placed precisely at the desired location. An asymmetric arm spacing design enables the system to engage containers that are not perfectly aligned, improving usability in confined or uneven environments. The system supports lifting capacities of up to approximately 14 tons and is typically installed on truck chassis with gross vehicle weights between 18 and 21 tons. Compatible container lengths range from roughly 9.8 to 14.8 feet. Depending on configuration, the unit measures approximately 12 to 15 feet in length, with an overall width near 8 feet and a transport height of around 12 feet. Equipment weight is approximately 7,000 pounds. Optional features include multiple container locking points, mechanical container guides, hydraulic locking systems, engine communication interfaces for optimized operating speeds, low-noise operating modes, overload indicators, and integrated tarping systems for covering loads during transport. Faymonville Multi-MAX Plus Low Loader Trailer. The Faymonville Multi-MAX Plus is a heavy-duty semi-low-loader trailer engineered for transporting large machinery, construction equipment, and heavy vehicles on public roads. By carrying loads on a low-positioned deck, the trailer minimizes overall transport height and improves route flexibility. The trailer connects to a truck tractor via a fifth wheel and can be configured with 2, 3, or 4 axles to meet varying load weights and legal requirements. A single telescopic deck extension increases usable length when required, while a hydraulically adjustable front deck section aligns with the gooseneck to create a shallow drive-on angle for low-clearance machinery. This hydraulic front section can be adjusted under load, enabling precise positioning of equipment during loading and unloading. The gooseneck structure uses an outer beam design assembled with bolted components, allowing different coupling heights and neck geometries. Fifth wheel load capacities range from approximately 13 to 33 short tons, with gooseneck depths between about 6 and 10 inches. The deck surface may be equipped with serrated steel plating to enhance traction, and multiple integrated lashing points support secure load restraint. Ramp options include double rear ramps or a flip tail ramp to accommodate a wide range of equipment types. AMT TKL 404 bulk tipping and pneumatic trailer. The AMT TKL 404 is a heavy-duty semi-trailer designed for transporting loose bulk materials such as grain, sand, soil, wood chips, pellets, and similar commodities. It operates primarily as a tipping trailer but can also be equipped with an integrated pneumatic vacuum and blow system. This dual-function capability allows material to be unloaded either by gravity through rear tipping or by air pressure when tipping is impractical due to site constraints or material flow characteristics. The trailer commonly uses a 4-axle configuration to distribute weight effectively and comply with road regulations. Internal volume measures approximately 2,100 cubic feet, supporting high payload capacities. Air ride suspension ensures stable handling and consistent axle loading, while lift axles reduce tire wear during empty runs. The chassis and tipping body are constructed from high-strength steel, with optional plastic liners available to reduce material adhesion and internal wear. Benalu SLIDOR Automated Sliding Rear Door System. The Benalu SLIDOR system is an automated sliding rear door solution developed for tipping truck bodies. Its primary purpose is to open and close rear doors during unloading without requiring wide outward door swing, which can be problematic in confined unloading environments. Instead of relying solely on hinges, the SLIDOR panels follow a controlled mechanical path that includes unlocking, opening, and lateral translation along the rear and side structure of the body. Worm screw drive mechanisms convert rotational motion into precise linear movement and maintain door position under load. Slide rails guide the door panels throughout the sequence, while powered actuators provide the necessary force. The system ensures predictable, repeatable operation and can be controlled directly from inside the vehicle cab, eliminating the need for manual interaction at the rear of the body and improving operator safety. Burge Ricatra with Flexi Bulk System. The Burge Ricatra with Flexi Bulk integration is a lightweight curtain-sided semi-trailer